Welcome. If you've ever wanted to share files with friends or your community on Discord, but weren't sure how to do it from your phone, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple, updated steps to send file messages on Discord Mobile. Whether you're sharing a photo, a document, or any other file, this guide has you covered. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're in, decide where you want to send your file. You can send files in a private direct message or in any server channel where you have permission to post. Next, tap on the direct message conversation or the server channel where you want to send your file. You'll see a text box at the bottom of your screen, just like you would for typing a message. Now, look for the plus icon, usually found to the left of the message box. Tap on this plus icon. This will open up a menu with several options for sharing content. From the menu, select the option labeled Files. This will open your device's file browser, allowing you to navigate through your folders and find the file you want to share. Scroll through your files, tap on the one you want, and it will be attached to your message. Before you send, you can add a caption or message if you'd like. When you're ready, just hit the send button. Your file will upload and appear in the chat for everyone in that conversation or channel to see and download. And that's it. Sending files on Discord Mobile is quick and easy once you know where to look. Now you can share images, documents, and more with your friends or community, all from your phone. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting on Discord.